Video has emerged of Sunday's KCPD officer-involved shooting. The suspect's family giving that video to an attorney. He then gave it to us. I sat down with two experts to better understand the decision of the officer to fire his weapon.
Recording it all.
What wasn't in the video was the initial dispatch call. Court documents state that two officers were called to a disturbance in which a man was firing a gun into the air. Police say the callers described an intoxicated man who was wearing a black hoodie and a black cap. Police later identified that man as Jose Lugo.
We see in the video a struggle.
I showed the video to Kansas City defense attorney Greg Watt, who was not involved in the case. KCPD officers struggled to contain the suspect with multiple bystanders around.
Hold on, what did I do?
One officer deployed his taser and the other fired a weapon.
It appears as though he had a firearm in his hands from the video.
But it's unclear, and it's important to remember that this video only shows one perspective, that of the person holding the cell phone. Police body cam recordings have not been released. As a gun appears to fall to the ground, a woman motioned toward it as one officer tackles her, the other throwing the weapon out of reach, seen at the end of the video.
But the last thing I want is an unsecured weapon floating around out here.
John Hamilton spent 27 years on the force and is a criminal justice professor at Park University. I also showed him the video.
I have to assume that that call is correct until I find out otherwise.
He's referencing to the initial call. Lugo fit the caller's description.
My first action is going to be to try to secure that person.
Deploying a taser first, he says, is standard protocol. And if that doesn't work, next is a tough decision, gauging the safety of your partner and others around you. As the police report states, Lugo grabbed a gun from inside his clothing.
If they begin to reach into a pocket, then it does become a what do I do at this point in time?
It's a case-by-case basis, and we never truly know what the officer is seeing.
And it's what we won't know until the full body camera footage is released. In Kansas City, Ryan Gamboa, KSHB 41 News.